Hey everybody, welcome back to Jamia's Promo, and today we will be taking a fast look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. The FE stands for Fan Edition. Now Samsung will be having an Unpacked event for this phone on September 23rd. Now one of the most exciting pieces of information about the Galaxy S20 FE will be the price, and it should be somewhere right around $699 or $750 depending on the internal storage that you choose. Now when the Galaxy S20 FE gets launched, it will be coming with Samsung One UI 2.5 with Android 10. Now taking a look around the phone, the back of your phone will be made of plastic, pretty much the same camera array as the Galaxy S20. This one will have the 12 megapixel, 12 megapixel, and 8 megapixel. Now on the top of the Fan Edition is where your SIM card tray would be, no headphone jack. And then on the bottom, you'll find your USB Type-C along with the speaker grill. Again, no headphone jack. And then on the right-hand side of the phone, that is where you'll find your volume rocker as well as the power button. Now as for the size, it will be right in between the Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus. So right over here is the Galaxy S20. This one is the Galaxy S20 Ultra, so you can see what the size difference will be between all three of these phones. Again, the Galaxy S20, the Fan Edition, and the S20 Ultra. Now let's take a look at the Infinity O cutout right around that 32 megapixel selfie camera. You can see that it might be just a little bit smaller or almost the same size as the Galaxy S20. The other thing that you will also notice is going to be the bezels along the sides of the phone. Now you got to remember this one is a flat display. Now when it comes down to Samsung flagship devices that have the Infinity display, it really just kind of goes over the edges, making it look like there is less bezel, but that's just one of the things that you get when you get a flat display. Oh, and if you guys are brand new here at the channel of Jamia's Promo and you appreciate these tips, tricks, tutorials, as well as these early looks at all these Galaxy phones, make sure you guys hit on that subscribe button as well as the bell for notifications to get notified for all future videos. Now one thing I did notice with the front camera display is you will be able to see with the reflection right there kind of a chrome outline right around that camera sensor. That's one of the things that I did not notice on any other Galaxy S20 phone, not even on the Galaxy Note 20. So right around that sensor in here it looks black. But there is quite a bit of reflectiveness. There's a little bit of chrome that's happening right inside of there. So I don't really know what all of that is about. Maybe it's just because it's a larger sensor. Now inside of the camera, you will notice that you have your normal ultra wide 12 megapixel, your wide 12 megapixel, and then your 8 megapixel 3-time optical zoom. And it goes all the way up to 30 times zoom. That is going to be with that 3-time optical and then 10 times digital. Now taking a look at the front facing selfie camera sensor, you can see on the very top, you have the option to switch it over inside of 32 megapixels. Now a few people are wondering if the Fan Edition has stereo sound, and it does, and you're also able to activate your Dolby Atmos. The battery size of the Fan Edition does have a 4500 milliamp battery. It is also using the Snapdragon 865. And then when you take a look at the internal storage and the RAM inside of Device Care, you're able to see that this one right here has stock 128 gigs of internal storage with 6 gigs of RAM. My guess is that if they do offer 8 gig of RAM, you'll be able to have more internal storage. And then the last thing I want to show off is that it does have wireless charging as well as wireless power share. So here are my final thoughts around the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Is there even a place in this whole entire Galaxy lineup where this phone makes sense? There's already 3 other versions of the S20. There is 2 Galaxy Note 20 devices already released. Will this phone sell a buttload of units? And the simple answer is yes, because of the price point and everything you get. So for example, this phone over here is the Galaxy S20. This one has a smaller display and a smaller battery, but this one cost $1,000. This one right over here, the Fan Edition, should be selling for $699 or $750, making it $250 to $300 cheaper. You still get an amazing front-facing selfie camera at 32 megapixels. The rear camera setup is also super nice. You get a flat display. This one is a Full HD Plus at 120 Hz refresh rate. You also have a Snapdragon 865 processor. You have 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, and you also have wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, also known as power share. So really, is this phone worth it? Is this something that you're looking into? I would have to state that if you're looking at the Galaxy S20 or the Note 20, completely pass those up and get the fan edition. Now, in the Samsung world, Samsung hates this word. They hate the word cannibalism. This phone right here, the fan edition, is cannibalizing on the Galaxy S20 and the Note 20 because of the price and everything it gives. Now, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra still has a lot to offer. The Galaxy S20 Ultra also has a lot to offer, but they have really bad cameras inside of here. So again, I would probably still pass this up. Also, this one is weighted extremely horrible. Just the way that this phone weight distribution is, it's just a bad phone. This one's being turned in for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So in a world of all the Galaxy S20 devices, the fan edition will definitely come out on top. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.